Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix an error occurred while activating iMessage issue on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is where all iMessage and network-related settings can be managed. Now tap the search bar at the top of the settings screen, type messages in the search field and wait for the result to appear. This is the fastest way to access the messages settings directly. Once you see it, tap on Messages to continue. After opening Messages settings, scroll down until you find iMessage. If iMessage is already enabled, turn it off for a few seconds. This helps refresh the activation process and clears temporary glitches. After waiting briefly, turn iMessage back on. Now look for the Send and Receive options and tap on it. This section controls the phone numbers and email address is used with iMessage. Make sure your preferred email address is selected here. Selecting the correct account can often resolve activation issues. Choose your Apple ID email address from the available options. This ensures iMessage is linked to the correct account. Give the phone a moment to verify and activate the service. In many cases, the issue is fixed at this point. If the problem still remains, restart your iPhone. A restart refreshes system services and network connections. After the device turns back on, check iMessage activation again. Simple step often resolves lingering activation errors. If you're still seeing the error, remove your SIM card carefully. Wait a few seconds and then insert it back into the phone. This refreshes your carrier connection, which iMessage activation depends on. After reinserting the SIM, try activating iMessage once more. And that's how you can fix an error occurred while activating iMessage issue on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.